Welcome back. I'm Angela, aka Ukuleleplus, and I'm sharing the adventures of Big Panda and Teeny Dragon. Let's hear what these two unlikely friends have to say to us today. My head feels like a storm sometimes, said Teeny Dragon. If you really listen, said Big Panda, you can hear the raindrops splashing on the stone. It's possible to find a little peace even in a storm. I don't have any thoughts or any illuminations or revelations today. We're just going to listen to the rain. We just listen today. I'll see you in the next video.